Chérie, mangez banane, mangez banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxslay, and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell so you're notified every single time I upload new videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a review on this wig that I have in right now. This unit was sent to me from SAMSBEAUTY.com. Y'all already know what it is. This is their Neesha soft and natural wig. So here is what the stock card looks like, and I have it in the color 2. And this is what the back of the stock card looks like. This does come in many different colors, so if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I'll be leaving the link down in the information box below. Without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and jump into the review. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you guys want to know more deets and specs about this unit, I'll see you guys in the outro. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit. Is it my absolute fave? I'm gonna have to say no on this one. I just don't like how it's so like stiff. I know it's supposed to come off like as like your natural hair, like your own natural hair, like if you got a blowout, this is what, you know, it would look like. But I just don't like how it just looks so big up here. Like, I don't know, it's just not my absolute fave. Like, I don't think it's like a horrible wig, but just I expected it to have a little bit more body to it and a little bit more layers, just because of how the stock card looks. So if you look at the stock card, it looks like she has like more layers and stuff like that, and I tried it like as far as like in the middle, and it just doesn't look as silky as this. Like, even when I put it in the middle, it didn't really look like this. So I'm gonna have to say this is not my absolute favorite wig. But like I said, it does come in many different colors, so if you're interested in purchasing this wig, definitely go ahead and check it out. So this is what I'm referring to when I say it doesn't have much body, like the texture, and it's kind of on the shinier side. That's why I chose honestly to do like a number 2, because I didn't want it to look too wiggy or too, you know what I mean. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It has your standard construction, so you have 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back with your adjustable straps. This does come already parted for you, so I mean, the good thing is you can part it in the middle, or you can put it off to the side like I did. So that gives you the ability to be able to switch the sides of your part. So that's one thing I do like about this unit. It does come with a little bit of lace as well in the front, so I did cut that off in the beginning of the review. But other than that, it's not like you don't get lace all around the whole wig, right? It is big head friendly. I will say that I do think that this wig is big head friendly, and it's very cost effective as well. So I mean, if you're on a budget, like, y'all definitely need to go ahead and check Sam's Beauty out. They have a lot of different wig options for you, human hair, all that jazz. So that's what I absolutely love about them. Their wigs are always like budget friendly to me. Even like their braided wigs, it falls within the budget, you know what I mean? So other than that though, that's really all I have to say about this unit. You guys let me know what you think. Like I said, not my absolute fave. I really thought that I was going to wear this wig all day today, but after taking a look at it, I don't know, it's giving me like first lady vibes, or like you know, like first lady in the church. I mean, it's not terrible, it's not absolutely terrible, but just not my fave. I was expecting it to have just a little bit more body. All right. But yeah, I mean, other than that, let me know what you guys think of the review. If you guys love it, if you guys hate it, what you think, if you're gonna purchase it, let me know. All right, definitely stay tuned because I will be back with more videos pretty soon, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.